ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are doing very well. And here is another exciting review for my dear viewers, my audience. So here, let's go, guys. And here I have to say, all of you, welcome on Free Allen. Here you can see that this is the freedom on the blockchain, and here we everyone knows about. And we know that everyone know in the all of the world. This is here you can see that Alan plus Trump here on my screen. So guys, here I will tell you a complete review, and you have to stay tuned with me till last of the video. Don't skip any part of the video, guys. And before starting further amazing exciting review, I would request, if you are new on my channel Crypto Victoria, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing upcoming videos notification. As you know that Victoria always come with an amazing and exciting platform for my audience. So, guys, before starting their further amazing review, I have to say something more that I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment. I am not responsible for your any profit or loss. You have to do your own research, and this is not my financial advice. You have to do your own risk take. So here is I will tell you about Free Allen, what's about Free Allen, and our roadmap, how you have to buy, what's about our community. And guys, we are on Solana blockchain, and you have to put your wallet like which can be which are on Solana blockchain. So I have also placed all of the links in my description. So you have to copy, and guys, you can see that on my screen. This is our official contract address, which you have to copy. You have to mostly check this out. And now let's we talk about what is Free Allen. Basically, guys, this is a high octane meme token, and this is totally fuses with spirit, also a community hype, and also we have to take legendary marketing moving era of Elon Musk. And guys, we are not anti-Trump. We are just believe on the innovators that should stay above patrician crossfire. So set free Alan, and maybe we have to write this map. So guys, you have to mostly join also our community. Like you have to follow our Twitter official account. And here is our also contract address is available on our Twitter official account. Here you have to follow, like, comment, and retweet. Now guys, we talk about let's why you have to take this Free Allen. Why Free Allen is existed? Because we have to champion unfettered innovations, and we are only supporting visionaries who push boundaries without any political constraints, and this have a mimetic power that is harnessing millions of viewed impressions into collective energy. And we are so solitary, and there is no not anti anyone. We are just united, and we have to build together. So guys, let's talk about roadmap. As you know that I always tell you, if you have to join any of the platform, you have to mostly check out their roadmap, because it gets all of the past future development about the platform. So as you know that we have divided our platform into different phases, and in phase one we have to do launch of our token. And as you know that I tell you in the start of the video, we are on the Solana blockchain, and our token is now live. Liquidity is completely added, and we are active now. And guys, we have to also do listing on the famous exchanges. We have applied for this, and soon we will be listed on of the DEX screener. So our listed in confirmed, and so you have to don't need to be worried about that now. I tell you about how you have to buy. This is very easy and very simple, guys. As you know that we are on Solana blockchain, so you have to which wallet put. You have to simply go on your Phantom wallet, Solfair, which are on Solana network. Then you have to purchase some Sol. Then you can swap on Free Allen, and guys, you can also buy from Rhythm or Jupiter Exchange. Both are available for the Free Allen. And you can also tweet. Here you have to separate the all over the world, so you have to tweet right now. And what are our community values? So you have to also join our community. Here is our free Allen Telegram community where you can see that our check out our members. You have to join this because you get news and updates in our community. So you have to join here. Now we talk about what our community values: freedom, factions, totally transparency. We have to build a chill, and this is the innovation first and meme welcomes. So now I tell you how why you have to join. Our mission is we are building more than just a token. We are creating a movement for innovations for the freedom. And guys, I have to say that mostly you have to join our Telegram. And here you can see that this is our Telegram community. You have to mostly follow our Twitter official account. And one of the most important thing that I have to say that this is not my financial advice. This is not financial advice of the platform. You have to do your own research. You have to take your own research. Then you have to go, so stay tuned with us for our further updates, for our further news, what we are doing in Free Island. Stay tuned with us. See you next video. Thanks for watching, guys.